morning guys, we are still here in Shinjuku, Tokyo. We are now at Holly's Coffee. We're gonna enjoy our coffee and our breakfast. But dapat sa kasalukuyan, dapat nasa bus na kami papuntang Mount Fuji. Pero naiwan kami ng bus. Naiwan kami ng bus kasi na-late kami. And hindi namin nakita yung address na tinuturo nilang address. Napunta kami sa ibang address. Kaya na-late kami. We missed the bus. So we paid almost 300 New Zealand dollars for nothing. Magkano hindi? I forgot how much in yen. Basta parang 32,000 yen yata yun. 32,000 yen. Parang ganun. It's a tour for Mount Fuji, but yeah, we missed it. So now, we're just gonna enjoy our egg sandwich at Holly's. Okay, ito ang story time natin. Ang meet up namin sa meet up place, 7:45 AM. So, we left our hotel at 7:25 kasi nagbigay pa kami ng allotment. Kasi sabi ni Ken, 7 minutes walk lang from our hotel. Pero pagdating namin doon, supposedly early kami, pero hindi namin makita yung building kung saan kami mag-meet up. So ngayon, nagtanong kami sa local, tinuro kami sa iba, naglakad kami ng few steps, pero wala rin doon. Hanggang sa wala, na-miss na namin kasi yung address na binigay, name lang ng building. Wala siyang exact address. So, na-miss namin ang meet-up time na 7:45. Aalis ang bus 8 o'clock. So, wala. Hindi na namin hinabol. Hindi na kami nag-effort maghabol. Kasi nga, I'm sure hindi na namin talaga alam kung saan. Actually. So, kahit habul-habulin pa namin, kung makita man namin yung address the last minute, wala rin. Kasi they're not gonna wait for us. Kasi walang latecomers. So, we paid for nothing. Ang Mount Fuji trip namin ay naging Holly's Coffee. Naging ganyan. Mount Holly's Coffee. So, yeah. Next time, guys, if you wanna go to the tour, make sure alam niyo yung destination kung saan kayo mag-meet. Kasi one day before or basta alamin nyo yung talagang pupuntahan nyo yung lugar to be sure. Kasi syempre hindi naman tayo local, we don't know the place, and halos lahat dito in Japanese, so mahirap talaga. So yun, lesson learned. Kung gusto nyo hindi maiwanan ng bus, mag-research kayo ng mabuti. Yeah, we thought we did, pero not good enough. So yeah, so today guys, mag-shopping na lang tayo. Tsaka actually, ang pangit ng panahon ngayon, umuulan. So, I think wala silang makikitang Mount Fuji. Bitter. Wala silang makikitang Mount Fuji today guys. So, buti na lang din na iwanan kami ng bus. 289 New Zealand dollar. I-shopping na lang natin. Okay? Bye! Kami sa Shibuya Crossing. In the morning.
Alam mo, balikan tayo ah.
Oh my God, oh my God. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? L'Occitan, L'Occitan. L'Occitan, L'Occitan. Ito na yung Mount Fuji namin. Naging Daiso. Let's go to 100 yen shop, guys. So, dito tayo. Gila. Maduit. Insert. And then pull. Okay. Let's go. Daiso pa rin. Look at that. It's so cute, guys. Andito kami sa food show. Sa loob ng building. Parang puro ano. Parang souvenir style foodie. Ah! Macaron. Oh, look at the macaron. So cute. Lottery. Okay, mag-lunch muna kami, guys. Ito yung mga orders namin. Sorry, hindi ko masabi kung ano tong mga to. Pero mukha siyang mga soba, may udon. This one is a set kasama ng curry. This one is also a set. Tapos parang meron siyang wasabi. Oo. Ah, ito yung sabaw. Okay. Didip mo yung ano. Okay. Kain muna kami, guys. Itadakimasu. Astro Boy, so cutie. See this one, oh, it's not too colorful. Hadouken! Wow, so nostalgic. So, we're having Fami Chiki, guys. Finally, natikman ko na. Masarap siya, juicy. Hindi lang siya crunchy, pero juicy. And it's still warm. Nakaupo lang kami dito sa may labas ng ano to? Modi. M-O-D-I. Parang siyang mall. Doon kami bumili sa Family Mart, oh. Sa loob ng bus, nagsasayaw sila. May kumakanta. Shibuya Crossing! Again! Sa bakit? Kanya-kanyang direksyon yung mga tao eh. Iba-ibang direksyon. So, saan tayo? There's Hachiko there. Nagpicture kami. Yan si Hachiko. Daming pila. Nandito pa rin kami sa Shinjuku, Kabukicho. It's 5:40 in the afternoon. Dami pa rin tao. Kain kami sa Ichiran. So, let's see. Sana wala masyadong pila. Ito na yun. This is it. Yep. Pila, dito. You need to line up. Yep. We're here at Ichiran. order extra. Nandito kaming apat. Daming tao sa likod. Kasama niya may chashu, seaweeds, may egg. And yeah, more chashu dinner. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Cannot hear. Pauwi na kami. The night is still young. Pero pauwi na. First time naming uuwi na maaga-aga. Sarap tumira dito, guys. Tira tayo dito. Muji! Bida lang. Sa bahay na kami, guys. Nakapag-freshen up na kami. So, naka-robe na si Sir. Bumili kami ng sake. Bago kami umuwi. And then, we also bought this. Seaweed chips. And also, I got this. Gusto ko lang i-try. Looks good. Ito yung binili ko nung kagabi yata to. Nung isang gabi. Octopus and wasabi. Masarap to. Natry ko na to eh. Kahapon pala. We bought this yesterday. So, yan lang. Mag-enjoy lang kami ng gabi namin. Anong oras na ba? It's 10:30 PM. And yeah, we have sake. So, yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. That's all for today. See you in my next vlog, guys. Bye! This is so masarap. That's funny.